Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mention someone in a comment on TikTok. So whether you are reacting to a hilarious video, maybe sharing a meme, or just calling out your friend, this is how you can do to mention your friends on a TikTok video like this. So you can just go to the video and then here click on the comments icon on the right side of your screen, and then in the comment bar you can just type this buttons right here, and as you type, a list of suggestion will appear. So these are my friends on TikTok. You can just select the correct user from the list like this, for example, and then you can type your comment, or you can just go with this and then you can just click on this button to post your comment. So that's pretty much all. That's pretty easy, but I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.